Happy Sunday evening, Quad Cities, and also happy Father's Day. Hope everybody's been enjoying their Father's Day. Not only is today Father's Day, today is the official start of astronomical summer. That is today, June 21st. So we've already checked off the other two types of summer, solar summer and meteorological summer. This one started at the beginning of this month, but today is the astronomical summer beginning, which means today we are the longest day of the year currently, 15 hours and 11 minutes of daylight today. Sunrise at 5:29 this morning, sets at 8:40 tonight. However, the caveat being, we have not seen the sunshine at all today. It has been like this pretty much all day long. Now we can actually start to see a little bit off in the distance here as this rain is moving out of our area, but still it has been overcast, it has been cool, it has been windy, and it has been raining all day. Winds from the northeast at 17 miles an hour, gusting up near 31 miles an hour. It has not been the greatest Father's Day. We've had an area of low pressure off to our south and west, bringing us in large swaths of rain so far this morning through this afternoon. Has kicked up a lot of severe weather in southern Illinois. This will obviously remain well to the south of us, but still we are dealing with some drizzles here in the Quad Cities. There has been no lightning strikes with any of this rain, so it has just been some downpours and heavy at times, starting to move its way slowly out of our area from the southwest to the northeast. But still, along I-88, there is still some heavier showers, mainly from Sterling off to the east. Slowly but surely is this starting to move out of our area. But since it's been raining for so long, most of us have seen anywhere between 1 and 2 inches of rain, so it's definitely been some much needed widespread rain. This will continue through really the later parts of this evening and into the overnight hours. So the highs today did not get too warm. 64 degrees here in the Quad Cities. We reached about 80 degrees yesterday, so definitely a stark temperature difference from yesterday to today. Lower 60s across the board. It has definitely been a cool day. Temperatures right now, though, 59 degrees here in the Quad Cities, 65 in Kewaunee. So for the most part, sitting in the upper 50s and lower 60s, and it's drizzly, so it feels even cooler when you're getting rained on. So definitely want an umbrella and a rain jacket if you do have any outdoor activities for this evening on Father's Day. Future Track shows this rain, again, slowly moving off to the north and east. This is around 11 o'clock, still Princeton, Peru, and mainly off to the east of Interstate 80. Still seeing some showers, still seeing some overhead cloud cover for our areas, but this eventually really starts to clear out of our area by around 3 a.m. this morning as we head to tomorrow morning, actually, I should say. And then waking up tomorrow, we are mostly clear, getting in the winds from the north, maybe a few clouds above I-80 to the north of I-80, but those clouds will clear up, which will set us in for a wonderful Monday. So that sun is going to return in full force for tomorrow. So if you missed the sunshine, stay tuned for tomorrow. 77 degrees, sunny, breezy, dry, overall just perfect mid-June weather. You can see those winds from the north-northeast at around 10 miles an hour. It's going to be a fantastic day tomorrow. So you can definitely get back outdoors tomorrow and on Tuesday as well. Our next real rain chance is going to be on Wednesday, only in the form of some isolated thunderstorms. Beyond that, though, we'll start to gradually warm up into next weekend. You can see we're sitting in the lower 80s, even the mid 80s by next Monday. And then throwing up on that 14-day tracker, you can see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, as we head in towards that John Deere Classic, those temperatures are going to start to heat up into the upper 80s, right in time for the John Deere Classic. I don't think 64 and rainy would be all too well, but 87 degrees is definitely more on the hot side of things to start the John Deere Classic. Long-term trend, maybe an isolated shower during that week, but for the most part, we're going to be trending dry as we head in towards that John Deere Classic and hot as well. Harrison.